Hey, welcome, computer science students. This is going to be the first in a series of short videos aimed specifically at showing you how to knock out the stuff you need to finish this class. I know there are quite a few of you that really didn't get started in here, and we're coming to the end, and you're kind of getting a little bit worried about what comes next. And so what I want to do is we're going to do a short series of videos. Each one is going to be aimed at helping you accomplish one thing. And we'll do a video for how to do things, and then we'll also do a video for completing each assignment. This first video is all about downloading the course resources. Now, if you have taken the time to actually go through the class, you will have noticed that there are times in the instructions you're asked to open outside files, and you may have said to yourself, where do I get those files? So I want to show you an example of one so that you understand where you're going to see this kind of stuff. If we buzz on down here to assignment 2 in unit 3, and this is just an example one, and you click on the assignment sheet, it's going to open up for us here. And you'll notice right here that it says, double click your course folder and then double click the section 2 folder. Click the assignment 2B Python file. Now, if you haven't started in the class yet, most of this probably makes zero sense to you, but you just have to trust me that I'm going to show you where you would get those kind of files right now. So if we head on over here back to the main class, and you go to the class home, I want you to take a look at Unit 1. Unit 1 does not have any assignments in it at all. It's called Course Overview, and really it's just all about getting the stuff you need to do the class. Right now we're going to pick up the course resources. So you're going to scroll down to 1.04, and I want you to find the section entitled Learn Download Resources. Click on that. When you click on that, it's going to pull up this screen, and it says things like downloading with Firefox. Don't worry about that. It's pretty not browser specific. That's old. All you need to do is click the link that says here. So click here where it says here. When I do that, I get an outside link. I want you to go ahead and click on that. And now I get this particular screen. There's a link to download Python here, but I don't want you to use that one. That's an old version of Python, and you want to work in the newest version. Especially with new computers and things like that, you never know if the older versions are going to work with yours, so go to the newest version. However, right now, don't worry about that. I want you to come down here to TCH036 Course Resource Files. Click on that, and if you can see down here at the bottom, wherever your downloads go, you're going to get a zip file. A zip file is a compressed file, meaning that it takes a bunch of stuff and makes it smaller for easier transfer. If I click on the zip file, it's going to open up, and you can see here on my screen, I'll drag this down, maybe, so you can see the whole thing there in my window. It pulls up a series of 7 folders. You need all of these for right now. So if you click on section 1, hit the shift key, and then click on section 7, it highlights all of them. Now here's the important part. A lot of people think if it's gone to their downloads folder, they can just use it from there. You really need to copy and paste this somewhere on your screen where you know it's going to go. In my particular case, I have a folder called Computer Science. I suggest you set one of those up if you haven't already. I right click here and I hit copy. And now I'm going to go over to my desktop. Tell that to postpone. And on my desktop, I have a file called Course Files. And I have a file called Computer Science. And right here is Course Resources. Now, if I didn't already have these in here, I'd right click and hit paste, but I'm not going to do that because I already have them here. You need to hit paste. That will give you the course resources. Now let's pretend like we were looking for that file in Unit 3. Remember it was called Assignment 2B? There it is. Here's the only catch. Because Unit 1 has no homework, no assignments, it's just an overview, Section 1 is actually Unit 2. Section 2 is Unit 3. Section 3 is Unit 4. Don't stress about those right now. In the class, in the instructions, it tells you exactly which section to open, but just know in your head that when you're working in Unit 2, you'll be opening files from Section 1. That's how you download the course resources. Please do that right now. If you need to, go back and watch the video again and pause at each step to do it along with me. Should you have questions, jmcgregor@insightaz.org.